Yeah, it was a long time. So my wife and I, Wendy and I, we thought about it for a year. It was 2.5 years in the making. A friend of a friend had heard about James Sardonis, the sculptor. He's a big time sculptor, a very talented guy. He's got stuff at Yale and all kinds of places. When we got started a couple of years ago, he says, I'm an interactive kind of guy. He says, my stuff is meant to be touched, meant to be thought about. We don't just see it. He said, we want you to think about that. And I didn't get it at first, but I get it now. So I hope this kid's going to sit down. They might talk to each other. Maybe they're having some problem. Maybe they're happy. Sit down in there. Put your hand on her foot. Think about that. It's a Wooster thing.
Working on a bronze, particularly one this size, it's really a collaboration. It's not just me making a sculpture like I might if it were smaller or if it were carved out of stone or something like that. We sort of started in with a small model, and then we enlarged it. And then you'll talk to Glenn, who has the foundry, who did all the bronze casting, the mold making, and the enlargement.
It's approximately 700 to 800 pounds. It's silicon bronze. Silicon bronze is very weldable. It's 95% copper, 4.5% silicon, and then traces of tin, manganese, and iron. I get the maquette, and I enlarge it in clay. And then from that enlargement, the artist goes in and modifies it. Then I take a rubber mold of it, cast a wax. That wax gets covered in a ceramic material, and then the wax gets melted out of the ceramic material, leaving a void. That void is where the molten bronze goes in. And then the ceramic is broken off, the pieces are welded together, and then a brown patina goes on, and then it's delivered, installed, and voila. It's a very organic thing, especially where it's placed. You know, time goes along, kids may, rub the toe of the foot, for good luck.
We have to give back, because Wooster gave a lot to us. And I think Wooster students, as a rule, do give back. So it was our way of giving back and saying thank you. You need your extended family, in other words, alumni. We need to step up, and if this is important as I think it is, and they think it is, and it is, it's our way to help sustain it and make it better. Could never have done it with these incredibly talented two artisans that you guys have already interviewed. I've known them for a couple years now. They're profoundly talented. They're so easy to work with. So glad we did it. I'm a little exhausted from all the work we did. It's over. What am I going to do next? I don't know. But I'm sure glad we did this. I'll go home with a very, very warm feeling, and having done a good thing.